Do you like football, tennis, or swimming? In this lesson, you will learn how to say the most common sports in Dutch. Repeat after me and improve your Dutch pronunciation. In this lesson, I'll say the sport in English, then in Dutch, and finally the pronunciation. Repeat out loud after me. Let's start. Football or soccer is voetbal. 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 Tennis is tennis. 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 Basketball is basketball. Bal. Basketball. Volleyball is volleyball. Bal. Volleyball. Baseball is honkbal. Bal. Honkbal. Golf is golf. Rugby is rugby. Rugby. Hockey is hockey. Hockey. Table tennis is tafeltennis. 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 Badminton is badminton. Badminton. Let's repeat these sports one more time. Football, tennis, basketball, volleybal, honkbal, golf, rugby, hockey, tafeltennis, badminton. Okay, here are some individual sports. Running is hardlopen. Hardlopen. Swimming is zwemmen. Zwemmen. Cycling is fietsen. Fietsen. Walking is wandelen. Wandelen. Boxing is boksen. Boksen. Wrestling is worstelen. Worstelen. Judo is judo. Judo. Karate is karate. Karate. Weightlifting is gewichtheffen. Gewichtheffen. Okay, repeat after me. Hardlopen, zwemmen, fietsen, wandelen, boksen, worstelen, judo, karate, gewichtheffen. Here are some other sports. Skiing is skiën. Skiën. Skating is schaatsen. Schaatsen. Surfing is surfen. Surfen. Climbing is klimmen. Klimmen. Horse riding is paardrijden. Paardrijden. Rowing is roeien. Roeien. Sailing is zeilen. Zeilen. Diving is duiken. Duiken. Fishing is Vissen. Vis. Sen. Vissen. Repeat again after me. Skiën. Schaatsen. Surfen. Klimmen. Paardrijden. Roeien. Zeilen. Duiken. Vissen. Okay, so here are some example sentences. I like football. Ik hou van voetbal. Ik hou van voetbal. Ik hou van voetbal. I play tennis. Ik speel tennis. Ik speel tennis. Ik speel tennis. I go swimming. Ik ga zwemmen. Ik ga zwemmen. Ik ga zwemmen. Great job! Now you know some common sports in Dutch. And if I forgot a sports name, just drop it in a comment. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.